President Emerson Mnangagwa's appeasement policy of suspending all tariffs on U.S. goods to facilitate expansion of American imports within the Zimbabwean market, while at the same time promoting exports of local goods to the world's biggest economy, has been rebuffed with a slap in the face of the United President Donald Trump. Sanabina bashuka tukona panapa mtungamiri wenyika his efforts yekuda kuincrease bilateral relations neAmerica aiwatona kuti zvazvodhakwa after Trump amisa esema plans arikuitwa naye mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe. Nobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivina mu the news of Sanabina chiti Trump says his tariffs war has got some countries in this context like Zimbabwe kissing my to appease him on tariffs fiasco and seek favors. This is the reason of leaders like Mnangagwa's appeasement policy in tariffs. Mnangagwa's government has removed tariffs on American goods in a bid to construct a mutually beneficial and positive relationship with the Trump administration. The U.S. new baseline tariff of 10% on imports has now become effective, but Zimbabwean goods into the U.S. attracting a punitive 18%, underlining Harare's desperate appeasement approach. Trump is locked in a tariffs war with many countries around the world since he came to power for a second term in January. However, major highlighting of the problem is the intensifying battle between the U.S. and China, the largest and second largest global economies respectively. The suspension of tariffs on US goods inoitwa nemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe yaonekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe arikuda kuzama kuda kutsvaka mafavors kune the US president panguva ino. Murudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu, musama subscribe like on the bell icon.